One of the things we do here at the Eastern Agri-tech Innovation Hub is we are incubating small to medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, and we've had quite a few from the beginning, and they are doing all sorts of different things within the kind of sustainable farming and prevention of waste or waste valorisation. So I'm going to introduce you to one of them, actually our first licensee.
AgriGrub, we convert organic waste like this into high-value products, inputs for agriculture, and the engine that we're using to do that is these guys here, black soldier fly. Their larvae have a voracious appetite for organic waste and can eat 200 times their own body weight in a day. And they munch their way through organic waste for 3 weeks until we harvest them and then process them into insect protein, an ingredient for livestock feed. And we also take their byproduct, frass, as an organic fertilizer, which has some really interesting biocontrol properties that we're investigating here at the Hub with NIAB.
Joe, are these flies dangerous? If they get out of the lab and they escape into the UK countryside, is that going to be worrying?
Black soldier fly are an ideal species to be domesticating and using to grow waste because they're originally a tropical species. They don't like the cold temperatures outside here in the UK. And brilliantly for us, they're a late-stage detritivore, so unlike houseflies and fruit flies, they actually only like really rotting waste and they don't go after human food or crops in the field. These guys actually don't have a mouth. They don't feed at all as an adult fly. That's actually why they're so good for us to grow, because as a larvae, they get really, really fat to sustain themselves through their adult life cycle.
So this is obviously a pilot site. It's been going for a little while now, but when you expand and you really start selling these products in earnest, will you be moving to a bigger site?
At the moment here at the Hub, we process about 300 kilos of waste a day, but thanks to a grant from the Combined Authority, we can now grow our production to process 10 tonnes of waste a day, although that will require another site somewhere in the local area.
And a final question, Joe, how have you found working here at the Hub?
Yeah, AgriGrub started, we were just four guys together with an idea, and we needed some space to investigate that idea and do some experiments and develop the process. And there are incubators available for software companies and that kind of thing, but there's not anywhere for agri-tech businesses apart from the Hub here. And so, yeah, without this, I don't know how we'd have got Entomics or AgriGrub off the ground.